Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise is due to Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, who has given us the strength and the ability to grow and improve ourselves. May peace and blessing be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us with wisdom and truth. To all mother friend of Dai Online, wherever you are, brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about an important topic. Believe in yourself, the key to success. Success does not begin with money, talent, or luck. Begin with self-belief. The confidence that you can achieve your dreams and overcome any challenge. Many people fail not because they lack ability, but because they doubt themselves. They are afraid to try, afraid to make mistakes, and afraid of others will see. But if you do not believe in yourself, who will? Look at the great people in history. They were always smartest and strongest, but believe themselves. They face difficulties, they struggle, but they never stop trying. This is the key to success, having faith in yourself, even when things get tough. Of course, self-belief does not mean being arrogant. It means trusting that with effort, patience, and faith in Allah, you can improve and achieve your goals. Remember, Allah has given each of us special abilities. We just need to ask them wisely and never give up. My dear friends, if you want to success, start by believing in yourself. No matter how big your dream, take the first step with confidence. Work hard, pray, and trust in Allah's plan. Success is not given to those who doubt, it's given those who believe. Try and never stop moving forward. That is all I wanted to share today. I hope this message inspires us all believe in ourselves and reach our full potential. May Allah bless us with strength and guidance in our journey to success. Thank you for your attention. May Allah bless us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.